want the smoke? Who want the honor? Strike up the gas, get lit like a counter. I beat on my chest, a gorilla, a animal. Don't need to talk, let my little niggas handle it. I spit on these rappers, no, I'm not a fan of you. Kidnap your bitch and I take her for ransom. Rip up your favorite rapper with no bandages. If you want a show or a fee, talk to management. Who want the smoke, bitch? Who want the smoke? Oh, light up the gas, get choked, bitch. Handle her motherfucking dope.
Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve the quick half up, half down curly braidless crochet method. This is super easy. This is like a quick lazy hairstyle. There's a bunch of different ways you can do it. You can do it without the braids in the back, or you can do it with ponytails. You can do it however you like to do it, or you can do it like where you want to curl your hair or whatever. But today I'm just going to show you guys the braidless method. So if you guys want to see how I achieve that look, keep on watching. But before y'all try to clown my hair, it's ratchet. I just woke up, so that's besides the point. But so basically you're going to part your hair into two sections, the top and then the bottom. It don't have to be a straight line because nobody really going to see the part. Once you put the hair in, the hair is going to cover up the part. So you don't really have to worry about getting a straight line. So right now I'm just showing you guys me oiling my scalp down. And I'm doing it the same way as I would do it if my hair was braided down in the back. And you just want to keep your hair hydrated because it's going to be tied up and everything. So you want to make sure that your hair isn't super dry. So now I'm just adding some Silky Curls moisturizer to my hair because as you can tell my hair is super dry. That's why I look like I don't have any curls or anything going on right now because my hair is super dry. I'm just now moisturizing it. And soon you'll start to see my curls and stuff form, but I don't want my hair to get like super curly like that right now. I just need enough moisturizer so my hair can be moisturized under the crochet and the bun and everything. So that's what we're going for, just a little bit. But it looks like I'm putting a whole bunch on there. Okay, so now I'm just combing my hair out so I can get ready to comb it up into a ponytail or bun or whatever you want to call it. You want to make sure that it's slicked all the way down. But for me, I didn't really do it because I don't plan on keeping this up that long. Maybe like a couple days. So I didn't really try to do too much with it. But if you're going to be trying to keep it up for a long time, then you should probably actually make sure it's slicked down. Make sure your hair is dry because my hair isn't dry. That's why it looks like it's white because I have a bunch of product going and my hair isn't completely dry yet. So it's all going to just show up on my hair. So I'm going to be using this Chemical Line curly crochet hair in size large and it's 20 inches. This hair costed me $6.99 at the beauty supply store. So I don't know, it's different at some beauty supply stores. So you could probably order it online too, I'm not sure. But it was $6.99. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. This is what it looks like when it's done. You can either wear it laying down like how it just was, or you can put it into a top knot bun. I think it looks better like this, so I'm probably gonna wear mine like this most of the time, or until I take it down, because I'm probably gonna take it down after this video so I can do a different version of it. So yeah, you can start however you want. You can do one ponytail or you can do two ponytails. I should probably do a video on the two ponytails too. But if you guys want me to do more videos like this, just leave a comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video and turn on your post notifications, and also subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this. And don't forget to join my nation, because like I always say, if you're not joining my nation, then what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay? Because like I say, it is lit over. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
They want the smoke, cancer. This stick that I got causes damage. They say if you want it, come get it. I swear you won't leave Alabama. My niggas hit nails, hammers, and